What is going on, guys? Here. Oh, sorry, it's my phone. This is a video, my first video for this channel, and this is the wrestling figure toy company, wrestling superstore. Elite scale ring. It's more like a Jakks replica, something like that. But here's my unboxing video for it. I took that off because, yeah. So here's a very big knife, my favorite knife. See what you have in here. A box in a box. Okay. Got papers. Yeah, I don't know. And oh, I got one of these. Okay. One of these here championship belts. And that is the ring I got right there. If you guys can see it, it might be a little dark. It's because the lighting is not good right now. But anyway. It is. Oh, I can't open it because I need my knife. Open like that. Okay. Oh man, here it is. Here it is. But I don't understand why people have unboxing videos. Those rings, everybody goes to Mattel for the rings, which to tell you the truth, guys, I really don't know why. I'd actually rather have, it's just like the Jakks ring. It's just, I actually have ordered another pair of ropes because I want a custom ropes. I've seen some, the way person I see do an unboxing video is that guy I just subscribed to, I'm new to this stuff, Burnout Inc. I think his name is. Go subscribe to him. Yeah, he's just the same like he just got. I love his videos, I love his animations. I will be doing wrestling figure videos though, but they won't have my stop motions, it'll be pixels. That's all. So this is like the first unboxing on YouTube for this ring. Yeah. Oh, hit the camera, my bad. Oh, okay. Mat. You always need a mat. Oh, you don't. Because they didn't hold it. Pegs to hold the ring up. Have to have those, guys. You have to. If you hear that, like, kind of like wind noise, it's my fan. It's like really hot where I am right now. So, here's the ropes, 3 ropes. That's actually 3. Turnbuckle pads, always need those. Instructions, it's pretty simple because I have the new Elite scale ring. Steel steps, I like, the one guy said, Burnout Inc. I do prefer these more than anything else. So, yeah, yeah, this ring definitely looked better than the Mattel. It's a little bit smaller, I believe. But I was always a fan of the Jakks figures more than the Mattel. I think they just make better figures. But now I think they're on TNA figures. Which, if you guys don't know, I like TNA a little bit more since CM Punk left than WWE. Oh, okay. Oh, so these are metal. Now, I know Burnout Inc. said there were dings and stuff on their post, but I don't see any so far. No, I don't see any. If there is, but okay, there's a ding there, okay, making sure here. And I want a ding. Alright, 2 out of 4 is not bad for dings. I thought, well, we need to get rid of it. Bubble wrap and stuff. So, the first thing you guys need to do is put these little things here in the holes. I know. That's what she says. That's by a bag. Yeah. Put these all in here. What do I want to? And I hit the camera again. Oh boy, that's not good. Like that. That. Put that out. Of course, the last one's in the bag. You all fell out of the bag. So you can't put fix the bags to this not fall apart. Alright. So you set it up like this. Bam, 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 bam. There's the ring. Actually, I think I gotta take the things off. My bad, guys. I did it wrong. Here is the mat. Oh, okay. The apron is attached to the mat. It's sewed in. Okay, this is exactly like Jackson. It's the same size too. Okay. So what you do is that little hole right here. Yeah, the little hole. You go around the thing here. I think that's it. Yeah. You go around like that. So look at this, guys. The little hole right there. You guys see, I don't have real lighting. It's because of the sun in my room. I don't have lights in my room right now. They're all blown out, so I need to get some. So, yeah. We'll fix that eventually. It's actually nice. I don't like those clips that you put on holding that down. I'm not telling, but I think the new one they just had or something, they don't do that no more. The new WrestleMania. I keep up with all my wrestling figures stuff and toys. I really don't throw them at toys. I call them. No, I really don't throw them at toys as much. I just love my toys so much. So here's the basic. Got the ring almost together. So since we recorded, yeah, I'm gonna make sure my battery is running low. So you set these posts. I figured you guys can figure this out. I mean, we don't need instructions if you have a retail ring or some knowledge. So all these viewers I get hopefully will subscribe for my show here. Pick Fed Show. Oh, I need a drink of soda. Coke Zero. Coke Zero. Love Coke Zero. I love Coke Zero. Love Coke Zero. Love Coke Zero. Love Coke Zero. Alright, now I know I'm a little confused with these here. These ropes and chemical pads. I never had these chemical pads before. Now I looked up on YouTube, and I noticed, seeing some pictures that there are different way to hook them in and stuff. Like chemical pads. I don't know. It's different. Let's just say that it's different. So of course you put all these little hooks into the thing here. All around the ring. Why does it go okay? It's just keep in mind, guys, these little hooks here, you have to fiddle with them, like messing around with them until they get in the hole. So it's a little, you know, a little tough. Not really, just give it a couple tries, it'll go in. Alright, I need to open these up. Like, because I'm a pain in my freaking ass. I said freaking, not fucking ass. So hear that noise in the background? That's my cat. My cat is evil. Evil. I am so fucked up right now. Alright, here we go. The ring. How can you go wrong with a ring like this? This thing looks pretty cool. And I didn't even get the ropes on it yet. That's what's so good. And it's like, just like the Jackson, it's like the same size. I believe, I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure, yeah, same size. The ring apron's attached. So that's like amazingly good. Well, if you ask me it is. 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 I don't know. I don't know. Alright, so as you see, get that. Of course, the last one's always a pain in my ass. Of course. Alright, so go on. Now I believe you got the rope. You put them around, I think. What I think you do is you get the rope, put it in like this and this, like something like that. I don't know. I really don't remember how to do this. Stupid guys. Right, so let's just do that. Damn cat. So do that. Got it. I think that's how it goes. I don't know. Yeah. So I'm gonna skip to the end here, guys, so you guys know what it looks like when it's done.